What's up, guys? Welcome back to the About Chris YouTube channel. Been laying low a little bit since the last coast cruise, but next week there is the SoCal ballpark banger, which I should be going to, and then the week after that there is another coast cruise as well, so there'll be a bunch more cool stuff coming. But for right now, I'm actually just going to head out to the Highway 67 and then back into Highland Valley Road to do a little canyon driving. I haven't taken this thing out with the new setup, let alone with the Euro drive, so I'm pretty stoked to see how that will be. Pops and bangs will probably sound pretty good in the canyons. There's the R6 all uncovered, ready to make a return. Stay tuned for stuff happening with the R6. For those of you that don't know anything about my R6, even though it's all naked and not looking too good, it actually has a 520 sprocket, a race spec filter, a full flash tune, and a couple other little goodies on there as well. So, including an exhaust and pipe and some other things. So it's also extremely loud, sounds really good. And yeah, it's flashed. This is flashed. So I do have two flash tune vehicles. I just need to get this thing started again. It has dead battery, needs an oil change, needs a new master cylinder in the front, and then it needs a new fairing kit. The old one, the front stay cracked, so I was gonna rip out the headlights and do like a little stock light, or it's not stock, but a little custom little light bar setup in the front, and then probably like an LED strip for the rear. I just like to look at the track fairings better, and I want a single seat tail instead of the OEM double seat. But anyway, for now we're just gonna hit the canyon and see how it does. There's definitely gonna be a little bit of rubbing, but it's okay because the way these fenders are, it's actually like rubbing out its groove marks essentially. So after a while the rubbing becomes, well, less, because it has a little lip on the inside of the fender, and essentially it has room to rub as much out of it as it wants. So it's rubbing it out currently. It's done a pretty good job on the front, and you can pull little pieces off occasionally, but it's creating room for itself. I'm not going to run bags, so I'm not going to have the ability to go up and down like that, so it's going to have to like stay pretty fitted. But you know, these fenders are pretty cheap DIY. For now they look good and they do good. I definitely plan on going for a bigger and a little more intricate body kit eventually, but it's a pretty pricey kit, and it's not the SS kit or the RM kit. It's a different one that I'm looking at, so it should be pretty interesting, but it's pretty pricey, so that'll be something down the line maybe. But for now, this is good. I like it. I like the black. I'm trying to get the mirrors done pretty soon too, so I don't have to worry about the red there anymore. But anyway, like I said, for now, let's just get to the canyon drive. And if you don't know, now you know, you know. And if you don't know, now you know, you know. And if you don't know, now you know. Beats out in the house, know the doctor, last table. I see you. Tell me who you know to. Is it money, is it fame, is it weed, is it drink, is it coming down with the loud pipes in the rain? Ain't chilling only for the value in your name. Tell me who you loyal to. Is it love for the streets where the lights get dark? it's a baby squirrel. It's okay, guys, we didn't hit the squirrel. And I know this looks super rough, but this is not the actual canyon part. But either way, that part's pretty rough too. Either way, there's gonna be a lot of rubbing, so be prepared. Man, it's a squirrel party out here today. Oh no, there's a car right there. Now we wait. I'm just gonna wait until pretty much I absolutely have to go. Alright, fuck it. So it sounds like my rubbing problem is coming from the rear, which is good. I need to figure out where I'm rubbing so I can cut out fender and make it obviously not rub. This thing sounds absolutely ballistic in the canyons. Holy shit. Oh man. Oh my. And I'm being bad, I'm not even left foot braking. God, phase 2 in the canyons. Oh man. Should I jump it? Fuck it. Oh shit. Guys, we're just out here sending it. Too much rub. Oh, but phase 2 makes the canyon so fun, guys. Oh, but that hurts the soul right there. These roads are a little rough out here, to be completely honest, and it's a little fitted, the height I'm running the coilovers at.
with these tires. I'm probably gonna need to go down in tire size to really make it fit properly. But I'm liking the grip on these tires though. They're sticky. For sure. Oh, this is a fun section. Oh, that was terrible. Squirrel. Someone got a squirrel, guys. So glad I didn't have to come pinning it. Fucking ran myself into a jacuzzi. Oh, that was such a weird sensation. Going down and accelerating it like, felt weird. Felt really weird. This is a fun section. It's interesting, it really only rubs on the back right. The back left doesn't seem to rub at all. I'm gonna have to address that issue for sure. God, the beautiful sounds of my Fiat. All the tire up. All the bang bang. All the turbo. Gosh, what a fun little car. So nimble. Powerful now. Oh shit. phase 2 just like pulls you the fuck out of the corners. Kiki. Oh man. Into Tingo. God, right in the more of the middle of the lane. Oh. This part of Highland Valley, guys, this part just sucks. It's not even really drivable. You always had to be really careful riding your motorcycle through this part. Usually I'd come from the other way and this would be the intro part, so this is where you just get everything warmed up and just kind of cruise slowly. But yeah, the road here is just absolute shit. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Just a quick little video. I wanted to find out where it's gonna rub and what areas I need to make adjustments in. I haven't been in the corner since the new setup and with phase 2 and all that also, so it was pretty interesting. The power is definitely there, and I like the feel of the car with the wider wheels, and these BF Goodriches are pretty sticky as well, so I do like those. But I'm definitely gonna need to figure out the rubbing issue, get that taken care of, and once I'm not rubbing, this thing will be dialed, and it'll be doing really fast lap times wherever I go. So pretty stoked on that. We got some good room to work from, but like I said, we got a couple car shows coming up the next few weeks / cruises, / meet, so we're gonna be doing more so that than focusing on getting track ready. I'm probably gonna be skipping the entire 2018 season and just waiting until 2019 to really get after it, but hopefully the car will be really super dialed by then. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more and keep being real Bears, guys. I'll catch you later.